Namaskar, I am Achar Kalki Krishnan from Astrodhyam.com. I don't believe that there might be any person who is practicing Vastu or who is successful in the field of Vastu has not heard the name of aura scanners provided by the Astrodhyam. The miraculous results delivered by the aura scanners has stirred the thought and imagination of each and every person who wants to be successful in the science of energy, in the science of Vastu, in the science of Feng Shui, in the numerology, in the color therapy, in the Rudraksha science, in the gem therapy, everywhere they have our aura scanners have created something like a movement. And I have heard that many manufacturers, and believe me, we are not the only manufacturers of the aura scanners. More than 1000 persons are manufacturing these aura scanners, but those aura scanners are not getting the desired results. And just to know the secret behind the successful delivery of the results of aura scanners, I have heard that many manufacturers have broken our aura scanners just to know the secret, how they have been created. What is the exact formula behind the success of our aura scanners? They are giving trainings, on the side training, they are reaching at the doors of the individuals who want to purchase their aura scanners, organizing workshops in each and every city, but they are not getting the results. But users of our aura scanners are giving the results. What is the secret? Actually, people believe that the metal and plastic or rubber in this aura scanner gives results. Sometimes they may think that the mass provided by this gives the results, or the cord which connects this mass with this gives the results, or more than 300 pre-samples given by us for industrial Vastu, domestic Vastu, commercial Vastu, gemology, Rudraksha, and so many things. Even diseases, identification of diseases give results. No, gentlemen, these things don't give the results. Actually, if this metal and plastic used in this might be giving the results, then some machines might be giving more accurate results. You might not have required to hold these two machines in your hands to get the results. Why do you require to hold these machines in your hands? And sometimes I felt pity about the manufacturers who are replicating our aura scanners, that they don't understand the basic logic behind the best universal aura scanners created by us. Actually, when you hold these aura scanners, they get connected with the cosmic energy through the Kundalini, the inherent energy moving from the base chakra called Mooladhara to the Sahasrara, the crown chakra. Once these two gets connected, the cosmic energy and your inherent energy, you start to deliver the miraculous results. And the persons who were opening the shops, who were running the shops or running the factory, when started to manufacture aura scanners, they didn't have the background of this very profound secret given by the ancient seers, our rishis. They didn't know the secret of chakras, they didn't know the secret of Kundalini, they didn't know how the Ida Pingala moves the Kundalini from the Mooladhara to the Sahasrara, and how the Sushumna creates balance between the Ida and Pingala. And when we are not knowing this, you cannot create the miracle which Astrodhyam has created. Decades of research decades of knowledge in the philosophy, in the tantra, in the chakra science, in the science of subtle energy, which I had gained, had poured into this universal aura scanner. And that is the reason that our aura scanners are giving the result which others are unable to do. Many of our friends share success stories. Many industries, factories which were at the verge of closure, they reached and moved around the factory and pinpointed the exact reason behind the problems being faced by the industry, and immediately after removal of that problem, industry started to run successfully. Many of our friends could identify a particular disease which were going to happen in the next month, next year, or after 2 years. It is a miracle, miraculous results. Many of our friends are informed with such a happy note that law enforcement authorities like police have taken help to resolve the cases, complicated cases which they were unable to resolve. Nothing can be satisfying than this. Yes, earning money, beyond the earning money, something like this satisfaction, it gives the value and meaning to your existence as a human being. But it doesn't end there. Money is also important. If you visit a commercial showroom, started with crores of rupees, millions of rupees, and what happens? They are getting daily problems, not getting required sales, and you visited with this aura scanner and pinpointed the problem, and after implementing your suggestions, the showroom starts to run with a roaring success. Recently, I was in a factory in Vadodara, the size of 16-acre factory, and I moved in the whole premises, and my aura scanner pinpointed a particular place. After digging that place, a lot of bones came out, and just after bones came out, everything was settled. Earlier there were two deaths in the same factory, and beyond this, a lot of problems with taxation authorities, with insurance, a lot of every problem you can imagine in a factory they were facing. But after digging out those bones, everything was resolved. Now they are success. This is a public limited company. Their shares have gone fourfold. Whether these gentlemen will be obliged to you or not. Once you hold these two instruments in your hand, you become part and parcel of the great tradition received from the ancient seers, Mahan Rishis, great Rishis, which selflessly passed on their deep and profound knowledge to the coming generations. I am also from the same tradition, and if you hold this, you also become part of the same tradition. And it is not only assurance. It is not only assurance, but commitment from the Astrodevam, from me, that if you are using this, you will get the results which you will not be able to get from any other aura scanner. This is the best thing. I always say, this is Jadoo ki chhadi, Aladdin ka chirag. And a lot of persons who are using these aura scanners are testimonial. Their success is testimonial to the efficacy and effectiveness of these aura scanners. Use it, get fame, money, as well as the best thing, gratitude of others. नमस्कार, मैं आचार्य कल्की कृष्ण, अष्टोदेव से।